Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to write Roman numerals in MS Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Let's dive in. Now open MS Excel on your computer. As you can see, I have already written all these numbers. Okay, now you have to write a formula. It is like equal Roman bracket 1 close bracket. Now press enter and just select the Roman number and drag it like this. That's it. That's how you can write Roman numerals in MS Excel. As you can see, just write this formula and select the text and drag it like this. Again, I'm going to tell you again. Equal sign, Roman, bracket, 1, close bracket, press enter, select the Roman text, drag it like this. As you can see. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add Roman numerals in MS Excel. Thanks for watching.